Hey guys, you know that one food that you cannot stop eating that is giving you everything? This is it. This is it. This is it, guys. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, and share. So, today I'll be making native rice. So, here are the ingredients you need for this. So, let's jump right in. First thing, you put your pot on the fire, you put your palm oil, you eat this for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, and go in with your onion. Allow this to fry for like 2 minutes and give it a good stir. So after that, we're going to be adding some locust beans, which is also known as iru. Locust beans is giving it its own unique taste. It gives it this native kind of taste. It gives it like a very nice taste and a very unique aroma. So you fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then go in with your panla fish, smoked panla fish. I like using smoked panla fish. So fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring. It has its own flavor also. And now guys, we're going to be adding our crayfish. I have two different crayfish blended in there. I have the small crayfish and the big size prawn crayfish. So you add it and you stir, and add in my kpomo. So this kpomo is already washed and parboiled, so you can add it and allow this to fry for a few minutes. Don't need to be fried too much. Then go in with your pepper mixture, blended pepper mixture. So I've already parboiled this. So if you like, you can parboil your pepper mixture, or you can just put it in like that. So I like parboiling mine. So give it a good stir and allow this to cook for some minutes until it's properly cooked. And this is what it looks like when it's properly cooked. Go in with your seasoning cube and some salt and mix properly. So now we're going to be adding our rice. So this rice is already washed and parboiled to make the cooking fast. So just mix this properly and make sure everything enters. So now if you have meat, chicken stock or any stock, you can add your meat stock. Here I'm adding some chicken stock that I have at home, and I added more water to it to suit the size of the rice. So give it a good stir properly and taste for salt and seasoning cube. So now I'm adding more seasoning cube because I feel like it needs more. And add some salt, then mix this again properly, then cover and allow it to cook. So look at how gorgeous that is coming up. So you give it another stir to mix the parts carefully, mix it properly before covering it again. And this rice, guys, is amazing. You need to see the end result of this. So cover this for about 2 to 5 minutes and allow it to cook. And voila, look at that face, guys. This rice was given, like it contains everything you need. And now you can add in your ugu leaf or scent leaf if you have any at home, or you can add to it. So because I didn't have any ugu leaf or scent leaf, I decided to eat mine like that, and it was still giving me the native vibes. Oh my god, it was so delicious, guys. You need to try out this recipe. So I added some snail, fried snail, and fried goat meat that I chopped into smaller pieces. Guys, this thing was giving, like everything is in this food. I can't explain it right now, but guys, look at the face of this food. It was giving. This is what we call native rice. So guys, you can have this with anything. So I have mine with some goat meat and some plantain and some juice. Oh my god, because that's what needs to help you cool off this eat. Yeah. So guys, this food was amazing. Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.